Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things stocks and investing. Today, we're diving into a tech stock that's been generating a lot of buzz lately, Super Microcomputer, ticker symbol SMCI. Let's break down what's going on with this company and whether it could be a good addition to your portfolio. So, what exactly is Super Microcomputer? In simple terms, SMCI is a global leader in high-performance, high-efficiency server technology and innovation. The company specializes in designing, developing, and manufacturing server solutions, storage systems, and networking equipment. Their products are used by some of the biggest players in the tech industry, including data centers, cloud computing providers, and enterprise IT. With the growing demand for data storage and processing power, SMCI is positioned in a very lucrative market. Let's talk numbers. SMCI has been on a roll lately. Their latest earnings report showed strong growth, with revenue up by, mention the exact percentage if available, year over year. This isn't just a one-time thing. SMCI has consistently posted strong earnings, which has been reflected in their stock price. Over the last 12 months, SMCI's stock has seen significant gains, outpacing many of its peers in the tech sector. But the question remains, is there still room for growth, or have we already missed the boat? One of the reasons SMCI has been doing so well is because of the broader industry trends. We're seeing an explosion in data creation, and with that comes the need for more advanced and efficient servers. As companies transition to cloud-based infrastructures and artificial intelligence becomes more prevalent, the demand for SMCI's products is likely to increase. But it's not just about riding the wave. SMCI has a competitive edge in the market due to its innovation in energy-efficient designs and high-performance products. This positions them well against competitors, giving them a unique selling proposition in a crowded market. Now, before you rush to buy SMCI stock, it's important to consider the risks. The tech industry is notoriously volatile, and while SMCI has performed well, it's not immune to market fluctuations. Additionally, the company operates in a highly competitive space, with giants like Dell, HPE, and Cisco also vying for market share. Another factor to keep in mind is that SMCI's growth is heavily tied to the broader tech industry. If we see a slowdown in tech spending or disruptions in supply chains, SMCI could face some headwinds. So, what's the bottom line? Super Microcomputer is definitely a stock to watch, especially if you're bullish on the future of data centers, cloud computing, and AI. However, like any investment, it's important to do your own research and consider the risks before making a decision. What do you think about SMCI? Are you considering adding it to your portfolio, or do you have your eyes on another tech stock? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow investors. www.w.w.w